Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Training. In this movie, I will show you how to measure the height of a tree without cutting him down.